Good day sir, good day mates. I'm Cadet Miss Lang and this is Annex 3 Regulation 5 to 8. Regulation 5. General Requirements for Package Approval. Regulation 5 of MARPOL Annex 3 outlines the general requirements for approving packages containing harmful substances. This regulation ensures that packaging meets specific standards to prevent leakage or spillage during transport. Packaging must be tested and certified in accordance with international standards to ensure the safe carriage of hazardous materials. Regulation 6. Testing and approval of packaging. Regulation 6 details the testing and approval process for packaging. Packaging must undergo rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand the conditions of sea transport without leaking or deteriorating. Once tested and approved. Packaging will receive a certification that validates its compliance with MARPOL Annex 3 requirements. Regulation 7. Identification of harmful substances. Regulation 7 focuses on the clear identification of harmful substances. Packages must be marked with specific labels and symbols to indicate the nature of the substances inside. This aids in the safe handling and emergency response of case of accidents or spillage. Regulation 8. Documentation. Regulation 8 deals with documentation requirements. It mandates that shippers provide comprehensive information about the harmful substances being transported. This includes details about the substances, its hazards, and emergency response procedures. Accurate documentation is critical for ensuring the safe handling and carriage of harmful substances.